Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Straight Tech here, and today we're going to be installing a screen protector on the OnePlus 7 Pro. This one specifically called Alinsea. I think that's how you pronounce it. Um, from my experience, it's been a challenging task to find a screen protector for this phone specifically, just because of the curved edges. And I've looked on Amazon and I've tried so many of them, and they all seem to not stick to the screen as that well. And so the ones that I have bought, they only put adhesive around the corners, around the edges of the phone, and so it only sticks to the corners a bit, not as much. So it would only stick onto the screen for like literally a day, and then after that you could move it around with your finger, so it won't be that strong. So like I said, I've always looked around on Amazon to see if I could find the perfect one for this phone, and finally I came across this one. So like I said, it's called the Alinsea. Um, I highly recommend this one because this one actually lets you add the adhesive yourself. The only problem is that it is a little challenging. You gotta have a steady hand. But overall, if you get it right, I mean, it looks like your phone doesn't even have a screen protector on it. But as you can see here, it comes with these little foam ridges, and these are basically to protect the grill, the speaker grill, and the charging port. It also comes with gloves. Also tells you, gives you instructions on how to install it as well. And also here is the screen protector. And here is the adhesive. It comes in this little bottle right here. So yeah, like I said, you add it on your own. And here comes the UV light. So basically, once you add on the adhesive, you use the UV light, you connect it with a Type-C. Okay, once you connect it, you go around the phone until it heats it up, and then it sticks onto the phone pretty well. Okay, so first thing you want to do is clean up your screen pretty good. So you don't want to have any debris or any type of dirt on it, because then you will get bubbles. So try to clean the screen as best as you could. As you can see, I have like a big scratch right there. And so basically, once you have the adhesive as well, it's gonna cover that scratch, so you won't be able to see it. So yeah, this one has a lot of scratches everywhere. Then so let's open this package up. So here you get a little cloth for you to clean your phone. I already had one, so this could just be an extra one. And it comes with these dust absorber little stickers. So basically, whatever you can't take out with your finger, just take it out with these little stickers. It actually does help out a lot. And it comes with clean paper. So actually, let's do this one instead. See that to the side. Okay, then so these are basically the ones that level up the phone, so it won't be, rocking back and forth in case of that camera bump. So these you put in the back. I don't think it matters on which one it goes on, so put it right there. Put this on the bottom. So yeah, so now it won't rock at all. So yeah, chances of you messing up decrease. Okay, so after that, these are the ones where you're gonna use to cover the grill and the charging port. So for this one is the one that goes on top of the speaker grill. So this little part right here is gonna cover the speaker grill, and this part is gonna cover the top of the phone. So just cover it up, make sure it's stuck on pretty good. So just like that. And then you go to the top, and then press it against the phone. So yeah, so let's just try to cover it up right there, the speaker grill. And then for this one, is to cover the whole bottom. So it covers the speaker grill right here, the charging port, and the SIM card tray. So make sure that's pretty good. Okay, so for this one, I'm just gonna be more cautious because this isn't my first time doing this, and this can get kind of messy. So I cut around a foil plate just in case if the adhesive falls over the phone, because sometimes it does fall over the phone to the sides. So just in case it does that, it could fall on the plate and not on the table, because it is a very sticky substance and it's hard to take off. Okay then, so now we can clean this. Use the one they gave you in the package to dry it off. Use the dust absorber. So take it off, bend it right here so it won't get stuck to your finger. Take off any dust that's left over. After that, it does give you gloves to wear, but I don't like wearing them just because they're actually too big for me. So it's just gonna mess me up even more. So I don't wear it. Okay then, so now it is time to open up the bottle of adhesive. Open up the little cap first on the top, the little black cap. Put it straight down and just open it and let it all come out. It's in the center of the phone. Okay, so once that's done, now you're ready to install your screen protector. So step one, you remove it right here. Actually, got a little dust right there. So as you can see, the adhesive is going around the phone. So it takes around a minute or two just to fill up the whole screen. So as you can see right here, the adhesive is coming off. You see it's coming off from the edges. So that's where you got to be careful. So yeah, we'll just wait till it fills up the whole screen. So if it doesn't reach the corners, just kind of tilt the phone a bit. Yeah, so it's like I said, it takes a few minutes. You can see that corner right there, it still needs to be filled up. So just be patient because it will cover the whole screen. So now, as you can see, the whole screen is filled up. Alright, just clean it a little bit from the top because this is where you're going to be using the UV light to dry off the adhesive. Just clean off whatever you have left over on top. And just be careful because you can still kind of move it around. So that's kind of a good thing as well because if you mess up, you can still kind of move it around if you want. And it's better to clean off the corners right away, the sides of the phone, in case you got adhesive on it, because once you let it dry off, it's going to be really difficult for you to take it off. Okay then, so this is where we're going to connect the UV light. So this is where I'm going to go and warm up the corners first so it won't move. So I believe after 3 or 4 minutes, this UV light turns off because it gets really, really hot. So once it turns off, just disconnect it and connect it back again and it'll turn on once again. So I'll just get the corners first. Okay, so just clean it off. So like I was saying, just be careful because you see I got a little messy. And you can see on the plate as well that the adhesive does go over the phone. So just be careful, like I said, because it's really sticky and it actually smells kind of bad. It's a very strong smell. So just be careful. Okay, so now you can take these off. So once you take it all off, just clean it with, with an alcohol pad. Make sure nothing got in there. So this one's good. All right, then. So we're gonna test it out, see if if the fingerprint works with the screen protector. So there you go. It's really accurate, actually. You don't even feel it, actually. Like, it looks like there's no screen protector on it. So that's why I do recommend this one. It's just a little challenge putting it on. I'll admit that part. But once you get it down, and it has lifetime warranty as well. So, if it messes up, you just send them an email and they send you another one for free. And so, yeah, guys, that's a tutorial on how to install a screen protector. Like and subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.